As I'm walking through the park today, I noticed many things about these trees. None of them are the exact same size. None of them have the exact same limbs or branches or even leaves. But they're all growing towards the sun because it is their source of energy. So when it comes to us, we're all different. All of our paths take us down different roads in life. We do different things. Nobody's path is exactly the same. But at the end of the day, each of our goals should be to grow towards the sun. Regardless of what your path in life may look like, always keep your eyes on the sun. The scripture says, look towards the hills from whence cometh my help, because all of my help comes from the Lord.